Here we've got a BMW M8 assembly. It's the BMW LED laser assembly, so super expensive to replace, obviously. Customer sent it in for the lens replacement, and you can see just the lens is affected here. We'll be able to service this light with a brand new lens without an issue. Automotive lighting assembly. We've worked with assemblies from this same type of model range in terms of design. So zero issues working with this. We'll be able to restore this and have it look brand new with a full service. We'll take off the lens, we'll extract the pieces, we'll show you a little bit of the process. Try to get in depth if we have some time. Otherwise, we'll show you the final results in a little bit. All right, if you guys have seen any of the other videos regarding opening up permaseal lights or doing the service, we actually cut the lens off, and then the pieces of the lens are actually extracted from both sides. This way we have access to both sides of the channel. So everything gets taken apart, and the reason why is there's a lot of sealant that just gets blown into the background. You can see there's a lot of real estate back there between wires and modules and a lot of design elements, but a lot of functional pieces too. So we took everything apart. Again, we kind of skipped over the part that, we're showing you exactly what to do. It's not a DIY, but there are a lot of little hidden torque screws. You just have to work at it, and you're taking it off on this side. So from the outside to the inside, you'll be able to get everything off after you remove some of those torque screws. But the reason being is we want to get all the way to the back, blow it out with a, you can use compressed air. We use a small little blower. And this way we have full access to everything. We can make sure all the permaseal's out because that gets shaken up during shipping. We don't want anything surfacing to the front. So it gets fully cleaned out. At this point, we're ready to reassemble, put back in the sealant, and we'll get the lens on. We'll show you what it looks like when it's all wrapped up. All right, we're about to pack this one up. Just want to show you the final result. Nice channel. You can see we added a little bit of a screw there. We use these tiny screws. You can barely see them. That makes sure that the housing does not separate from the lens. It does come with a clip there, but we don't use the permaseal like the factory does. We use a butyl grade sealant. It is serviceable this way. Not that we're gonna need to get in there, but we do not use that same factory permaseal. The screws are small, you're not gonna see those, but that just prevents you from having any condensation issues or anything kind of backing up or backing out. Brand new lens. Quality looks really good, everything looks sharp. The slate looks brand new now. But that concludes our service. If you guys have any questions, reach out to us directly. It's info@lightwerkz.net. Check out the website. We've got a lot of European models available for purchase in terms of the lens replacements, but we do order lenses pretty frequently for models that aren't listed, and we can definitely get you set up. So we're aiming to have that factory fresh look when we're done, and we definitely achieved that here today. So like, subscribe, reach out to us if you have any questions relating to any custom lighting needs, okay? Thanks, guys.